Okay, once again, I welcome you. And the topic for today's session is Nifty Bank Nifty strategy in weekly expiry. Okay, so the index trading, option trading, is a very popular concept among all the traders, new traders, uh, traders who are experienced. And so this will definitely help you. So now I will share my screen. On whiteboard, I will explain what is the strategy. So before that, I think I should mute everyone. Okay. Okay, you can mute yourself. Okay. Okay, all are muted. So now I will share my whiteboard with you. Okay. Okay, please don't do that. Rob, please don't record the session. Pay your attention in the session and it will definitely help you. Okay. Actually, I am recording the session here and I can make it available to you. So bring your focus here and it will definitely help you. So what's the strategy? I will first write the topic name so that everyone can relate with it. And one more thing, I will not be able to see the chat box. So if you have any doubt in between, you can just unmute and you can ask me directly. Okay. So I will write the topic name, Nifty, Bank Nifty strategy for weekly expiry. So first thing, it is not an intraday strategy. It is a positional strategy. Okay, so it's a positional strategy. So basically, we cannot put stop loss overnight. So we will have to carry your positions overnight, and overnight is risky. Overnight is risky. Why? Because of gap up, gap down. Okay, gap up, gap down happens, overnight positions. So how can we handle it? We cannot put stop loss. So the only way to handle positional trades is by hedging our positions. So our main positions will be, the strategy is mainly dependent on option selling. Main positions will be option selling, and we will hedge it with buying options. Along with that, to reduce margin, we will buy out of the money. Further, very small options, further out of the money options, we will buy only to reduce margin, and to hedge also we will buy options. Okay, so hedging is important in positional. Main position will be our option selling position, not option buying. Okay, so this is the context which is required before starting with the strategy. Okay, I hope this is clear with you. And I will just clear this and we'll move ahead. So the thing we are doing is, suppose Nifty now is trading at, Nifty is currently trading at, what is the price? 17 200. Okay, so Nifty currently is trading around 17,200. So what we will do is, first part, first I will tell you to means how we can implement the strategy in Nifty, and then we'll move on to Bank Nifty. Okay, so suppose this Nifty is trading at 17,200 weekly expiry. So on Thursday we will initiate, Thursday end. Okay, Thursday before the end of the market we will initiate this strategy. Suppose So first, today is Thursday and market is about to end. Now it is 3 p.m, 3:15 p.m. So, and Nifty is trading at 17,200. What we will do is we will buy 200 points away, 200 points above call. Okay, 1x. How much quantity? 1x. Means it can be one lot, two lot. Means suppose it is one lot. For your convenience, suppose it is one lot. Okay. So this is the first part. 200 points above call will buy one lot.
17,400, right?
Yes, 17,400. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. See friends, if you have any doubts like this, so you just unmute and ask me. Okay, I will not be disturbed. I will be very happy to help you out. Okay, so this way we can your doubts will be cleared along with the session. Okay, this is the first part. After that, what we will do is 100 points away means 300 points above call we will sell. This was buy, this is sell. We will sell two lots. Okay, this is one lot, this is two lot. And after that, 400 points away means above. One more thing, everything we are doing in calls only, call options. We are doing nothing with put options in this strategy. Okay, I'm not saying that it will suit you or it will definitely work for you. I am just sharing my strategy. If you find it useful, then you can use it, implement it. Okay, just try to. Yes.
I mean, instead of selling a call, why can't we buy a P here? What's the difference?
It depends on.
I'm just asking you because selling a call and buying a put is the same, right? I mean,
not exactly same. It there are slight differences. We'll come over that. I will tell you the logic also. First, I am telling what exactly is the strategy. After that, I will explain why we are doing it. What's the logic?
okay, sure.
Okay, fine. So 400 points above call, we will sell double of this. If there is two lots, I will sell 4 lots. Okay, fine. So now you might be asking, what's the view? Okay, this can be the first question. Second question, is it directional, non-directional? What's the view? Depending on that, whether it is non-directional, directional, means what type of strategy is this? Okay, so basically this is the thing. This is the strategy. Now I will come to the logic. Okay, this is one lot, this is two lot, this is 4 lot. Okay, 200 points of it. This is buy, this is buy, this is sell, this is sell. So this is the thing we do before the close on Thursday, and then we'll proceed further. Now,
sorry,
yes.
This is 300 points above call.
Yes, this will be
17,500 and
17,500 CE, 17,600 CE. Okay, so this is also C. So this is buy, this is sell, this is sell. This is buy means +1, this is sell means -2, and this is sell means -4.
Okay.
So this is the thing. Now I will explain the logic and what's the view, whether it's directional, non-direction, exact reasoning behind it. I will explain. Okay, so this is mainly bearish. This is mainly bearish thing because see, most of the things, 2 lots we are selling here, 4 lots we are selling here, they are away from the spot price, but still larger lots we are selling. So basically, if we have to decide which type of strategy is this, this is directional and this is bearish. Okay, so what if market becomes bullish? Okay, if it is bearish, market is bearish, will make good amount of money without much adjustments. Okay, you agree on this? Is it bearish or bullish? Okay, simple question to you all. Which type of strategy is this? Yes, you can unmute and tell me according to your understanding.
This is bearish.
Bearish. Okay, any more answers?
Bearish, sir.
Bearish. Okay, fine. Yes.
Because we're selling two lots.
Two lots. It is bearish. So it is a bearish strategy. further away calls we are selling, and near call we are buying. Why we are doing it? We are just buying this call to hedge. We are just buying this call to hedge our positions, because suppose market comes upwards, which is against our direction, this call will give us some time to make adjustments and to manage our loss. Basically, this is a hedge. And if market starts moving up, we can do some adjustments, and I will tell the adjustment also what we can do here. Okay. So this is the thing. Main position are this sell positions, and this is the buy position. Okay. So now there are three conditions we have to see. And the view, I told you, view is bearish, and it is directional strategy. It is not non-directional. It is directional, which is bearish. Fine. So now three conditions can happen here. Three things can happen. Nifty can go down. Nifty can be sideways. Nifty can move up. Okay, three things, only three things can happen now. If it moves down, I have no problem, because this is bearish one. Only thing which can trouble me is my buy call, this call which I bought. Okay, so now suppose we take the price also. Okay, suppose I buy this at say 200. I sell this at 100, and I sell this at this is the price. I'm taking hypothetical prices. We will see the current prices also, and I will explain that also. But just now, just see this. I bought this at 200. I sold this at 100. This was the price, and this at 500. Okay. So this is one lot buy. This is two lot, and this is four lot. So now what will happen is, if market goes down, this will give me profit. Call sell. This also will give me profit, but this is buy will give me loss. Okay. So I have to do something with it. I have to do something with it. If market keeps on, if Nifty keeps on falling, I have to exit it somewhere. Okay. So what I will do is, I will put 50% stop loss. I will put 50% stop loss, means at 100 I will put stop loss, and it will exit automatically. Okay. So in this way, maximum loss I will take here is 100 point, and this will give me profit. Okay. This will give me profit. I will shift my positions towards the spot. I will book this profit and shift my positions towards the spot. Suppose say, should I clear this? I think I should clear this now. Okay. I will just, if you're not written, you can write it down or take the photo. I will just clear this and write the further things. See, the first scenario, market is, Nifty is moving down, market down. Okay. In this case, 17,300 call I bought at 200 rupees. My stop loss is 100. Okay. It is hit. I made a loss of 100 points and I am out. 17,400 call I sold at 100. Suppose it is now trading at 50. Okay. And 17,500 call I sold at 550, and it is now currently trading at 25. Okay. So now I am in profit here. So what I will do is, and Nifty is currently trading at say 17,000. Okay. 200 points down from the entry price. So now what I will do is, I will book this. I will book this, and I will sell this call now. I will go towards the spot. So now what I will do is, I will sell 17,300 call. I will sell at whatever price it is. Okay. Quantity can be 2 lots, because now it will be near. This will be near and this will be farther away. 17,400 call. Okay. So this lot can be 2 lot, and I can increase lots here. I can increase 2 lots over here. And one more thing I can do is, I can buy 17,200 call for hedging. Same thing for hedging. Okay. If Nifty tries to move up again, then this will protect me. Okay, this is the thing we can do when the market is moving down, when Nifty is moving down. Okay, I will buy this and put a stop loss of 50%. This is the first thing. Here, any doubt you have, you can unmute and ask. If market moves down, or if you want to add something here. Yes. Anyone?
No, not at the moment. Just making a notes.
Okay, you can make the notes. Yes, anyone? We call the names. Hussein, Sohail, Vishwa, Rai. So, okay, I don't think you have doubt. So this is the thing we can do if market is moving down. Okay, so now we will see if market is sideways, what we can do. Okay, you can take the notes or you can take the photo, and then after you can write it down. I will move ahead. Okay, I will clear this. Second scenario, market is sideways, Nifty sideways. We don't have to do anything. Okay, our sold calls will give us profit. Okay, and bought buy call, the call which you bought will give us a slight loss. We have stop loss of 50% there. Okay, so nothing much to do here. If the Nifty is sideways, nothing much to do. Plus minus 100 points, it will not affect us. Now we will see the third scenario. If market moves against our direction, then what we can do? Third scenario, Nifty moves up. Suppose it comes to 17,300, which is our bought strike. Okay, what we can do now? So now this will give us profit. 17,300 call, which is buy, will give us profit. Okay, 17,400 call minus 2 means 2 lot sell, and 17,500 call 4 lot sell. So what we will do is, this is plus one lot buy. Okay, now we will do nothing. We will do we'll make adjustment when Nifty touches 17,350. If Nifty touches 17,350, what we will do is, we will book this call, and we will buy 17,350 call. Okay, we will book this profit. We will move on to 17,350 call buy, and here what we will do is, here we will reduce one lot. So this is plus one. Sorry, 17,350 call plus one. We will reduce one lot here, and we can reduce one lot here also. See, now this now is bullish strategy. So again, if Nifty moves 50, 60, 70 points up, it will not affect us. And if it starts moving down again, then it will be good for us only, because in this call we book the profit. Okay, here we book the profit, and then after coming here, if it reverses, then it will be good for us. But it still keeps on moving up. Okay, then also this is bullish strategy only. And till that time, what will happen is, some decay will also happen, because see, this is weekly expiry. When we made the positions, there were 5 days to expiry. So with the time, what will happen is, this out of the money options will decay also. Even if market is moving up, this further away calls will give us profit only. Okay, so this is the thing which we can do. This is the adjustment which we can do if Nifty is moving up. Okay, so it will not affect us much. This is the thing. So any doubts till here, you can ask me.
What would be the stop loss?
For what?
So first one is 50% for the
Buy.
70. Yeah,
Yes,
buy.
50%.
Whereas for the sells ones, what is the, even those having the 50% stop loss?
No, they don't. They are the sell ones. No, so we can put a stop loss of say 100%, because see, I am selling this at 100.
Huh.
So stop loss will be higher than this. No, this is sell.
Yeah.
Okay, So at 200, 100% means double
Okay.
stop loss. Okay, just for our protection, just for being safe. Suppose it moves suddenly, if it moves up, then for that purpose only we are putting this stop loss. Double stop loss we can put. If this is 50, we sell 100, we can put stop loss. Okay, this is the
Okay.
thing which we are doing here. 50%, here 100%. Okay,
And when do we book the profit for cells?
sells we can carry
Yeah.
till
Currently
expiry.
it is 100. So
Mhm.
do we need to exit before at 20 rupees or 10 or 5?
Yes, if it reduces to say 5, 15, 5, 10, 15 rupees, then we can go move towards the spot. Okay, we can book the profit and move closer to the spot price. Okay, understood. Suppose this reduces to 15, 15. We have taken profit of 85 points. So now
Okay.
what we can do, we can book here and move closer to the strike price.
Mhm.
Okay, this we can do. Means rolling down. This is called rolling down of the strikes, which we can do here.
And this +1, -2, -4, do we need to go always with these multiples? 1, 2
Yes,
lots and
yes.
4?
No, slight variation we can do. One more thing which you can do is, see, suppose I'm buying 2 lots. So this will be 4 and this will be 8. Sorry, this is minus. This is minus. Okay.
Mm.
One more variation which I can do is, suppose you want to be safe, then +2 -3 means you can put this ratio is important here. 1:1.5 you can do.
Okay.
Okay, and this can be -6, -7, -8.
Okay.
Means this will help you if Nifty moves suddenly, if it moves up. See, this ratio, I suggest you keep it 1:1.5 or 1:2. Don't keep it higher than this. Don't keep it like this. +1, -3, and -8, -9. Don't do it like this. 1:3 should not be there. Okay.
Okay.
It
Okay.
should be less than 1:2. It can be 1:1.5. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
But don't keep it higher than 1:2. Means the lots you buy and the lots you sell, means the lots you sell should not be double, more than double. Okay.
Mm.
This is the thing which you have to keep in mind. So now we will see the option chain and see what are the prices so that we get a clear idea. So till this point, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes, other people, are you understanding? Just type yes so that I can know you are getting it. Okay, Prashant, Hussein, Rai, Sohail, Vishwa. Yes. Just type Y in the comment box so that I can know you are getting. Yes. Okay. Yes, type Y so that I can. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. All are listening. All are active. You can interact also. Okay. No need to hesitate. You can interact with me. I will try to solve your queries. So moving ahead, now I will share this thing, option chain. We'll see the option chain and okay, Opstra, we can build the strategy on Opstra. You might be knowing this, but if you are new to this, here we can build the strategy and test, see what is the paying graph, which is the payoff graph. Okay, so this is opstra.definededge.com. I have selected Nifty.
Is this free? Anyone can check, or do we need to have an account?
Yes. The basic things which we can do. Suppose I want to back test it, then we have to purchase monthly. I think around 1,300 rupees is there if you want to back test manually. But beside that, in the free also, I have also free version. Okay.
Yeah.
We can backtest our strategy. We can see the payoff graph. We can see the maximum loss, maximum profit, and what is the range in which we will be in profit. So I will share you, this thing will be clear in few minutes. See, I select option here. Here I selected Nifty. I select here and I select Nifty. Here I select option, and here I select my expiry, which is which is the next one. Suppose I select 9th December expiry, which is the latest expiry of Nifty. Okay. So suppose, see, Nifty is currently trading at 17,200 spot price. So what I will do is 100 points away, because see, I should have made this position by Thursday, but I am late now. Suppose I'm late. Suppose I'm making this position on Monday. Okay, Monday when market opens, I make this position. So what I will do is, I am late now. So what I will do, I will buy 100 points away call option. Suppose, so 17,300 call I will buy. I will type here 17,300. I will select call. So currently it is trading at 101. I will buy this. Add a position. So this is added. You can see here. Now what I will do is, first I will describe you what will be my position. I will just write. See, what I will do is, Nifty is trading at 17,200. What I will do, 17,300 call I will buy, plus 1 means 1 lot buy. 17,400 call I will sell 2 lots, minus 2 I will sell 2 lots. 17,500 call I will sell double of this, means 4 lots. Okay, so 1:2 ratio is here. So now if we do this, we'll see what is the payoff graph. So this we have to do. Okay, now I will select 17,400 call. 17,400 call option I will sell 2 lots. Okay, it is trading at 63. I will add position. So this is what it is looking like. And one more thing we'll do is 17,500 call. We will sell 4 lots. 4 lots. It is currently trading at 36. And I will add a position. So this is what it is looking like. And this is the payoff graph. See here, the capital required. Okay. I will clear this. Clear the drawing. See here, probability of profit 80%, maximum profit this, maximum loss is undefined, capital required is important. See here, capital required is 5 lakhs. Okay, this is the problem. Capital required is large. So how to reduce it? Yes, anyone? Any idea? How can we reduce this capital required? You can unmute and tell me.
Somewhere in different videos I heard we need to buy something else which will act as a capital for the other things. So
Yes,
if we purchase something, the margin will be reduced.
Yes, for margin reduction, what we will do is we'll buy very far away call option. Okay, so the number of lots which we sold is 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, so 6 lots we sold. Those 6 lots we will buy of, say, suppose 18,000 call we buy. I will click here. 18.
Any specific reason for selecting 18,000?
See, around 18,000 is far away. We can select 18,100, 200 also. It's fine. Okay.
I'm just looking at points, whether we need to specify only this many points we need to purchase.
No. The points should be, say,
okay,
around 4 to 5. Price should be around 4 to 5, 3 to 5 price.
Okay.
Okay. See, 18,000 call is currently trading at 3.65. So this is okay. So the only condition is the premium should be around 3 to 5 rupees.
Okay, now understood. So basically, you're purchasing any type of call which is in between 3 to
Ah,
5 rupees.
And if it is round figure, then it is further okay.
Okay.
So suppose it is 18,050. Don't do that. 1800 is okay, or 18,000 is okay. Okay, this is another
Okay.
point.
Hmm.
So how many lots? The number of lots which we sold,
Six.
which is 6 lots, I will buy 6 lots here. 6 lots I will buy and add a position. So now I will see what is the margin required. So margin required is now 160, 1,60,000. So margin is reduced heavily. Now we will see what can be done here. Okay, see the margin. Margin required is 1,60,000, which is within our limits. If you have 2 lakh capital, you can easily implement it with this 1, 2, and 4 lots. Okay, so range C, range which we got is 17,530. Break-evens is, why is it this? It is showing profit here also, no? Okay, I will see here. See, for the downside, everything is protected. If Nifty moves anywhere, however down it moves, it will not affect us. Our this profit is fixed. 7,300 is fixed. If it moves up, then also it is okay. See, currently Nifty is at 17,200. If we do nothing also, and if Nifty closes, means the downside risk is protected. If it moves up, our profit will increase. See here, the profit is increasing, and till this point, till this 17,530, 17,530, till that point, we don't have to take any stress. Till that point, our strategy will not give us loss. But this is the expiry. This is at the time of expiry. But what will happen if Nifty moves up suddenly? Then it will show us loss. For that, we will do adjustments also. We'll see in the next part how we can adjust. Okay. So downside risk is protected, which is very important. We can hold this position without much stress. Okay, we can hold this position without much stress. And if it moves up also, then we can adjust also properly. So no need to panic. So this is the thing here. Maximum loss is showing this, but if it moves above 17,500, then only it will show us loss. Okay, so this is the thing. So till this, is everything clear? What you want? If you any doubts, you can ask me. Yes, anyone? Prashant, Vishwa.
Could you once again repeat the last one? I mean, when we purchase this plus 6 shares, 6 lots, from there, could you explain?
Yes, okay, see.
What will happen and how
See,
to go?
this, why we are doing it, we are buying this out of the money, is 18,000 call. Why we are buying? Because we want to reduce our margin. Earlier margin required was around 5 lakhs, but we want to reduce our margin. Only for that purpose, we are buying this 6 lots here. And why only 6 lot? Because 6 lots we are selling. Total 6 lots we are selling. That's why 6 lots we are buying. So this is the logic here. And payoff graph is this. From here, it is very clear that downside risk is protected. We have no downside risk. And if market moves up also, we will be in profit only till 17,500. Till 17,500. Okay. But what will happen is, if suddenly Nifty moves 150, 200 points up, it will show us loss. Okay. For that, we can make adjustments and try to reduce our loss. This we can do. Okay. This is clear, Nagarjun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the thing now. Now we see the three scenarios. I will explain it here again. I will explain the three scenarios again. Suppose Nifty moves down, Nifty starts moving down. Then what will happen is, see, we have stop loss here of 50 rupees, 50% stop loss. Okay, stop loss at 50 rupees. So if Nifty starts moving down, we will exit this position with 50-point loss, and this positions will give us profit, this will give us profit, and this will give us loss, but this was for hedge only. Okay, so this will happen here. So after that, what we can do here, suppose Nifty went to 17,100, 17,000, then what we will do is, this will exit, 50 stop loss will be hit. What we'll do is, we will shift this call, we'll book the profit and shift this to 17,300. 17,300 call we will sell 2 lots, we will sell this 2 lots, and this we will increase 2 lots, so this will be -4, this will be -2, this will be -4, and we will buy 17,200 call. Means again we are doing the same thing, we are going closer to, okay, we are going closer to the spot price. So this is the thing we are doing when Nifty is moving down. So this is the thing. So now second condition, if Nifty moves sideways, if Nifty moves sideways, then still this will give us profit, this will give us profit, and this will not give us much loss, but still we have stop loss at 50 rupees. Okay, 50% stop loss is there, so this will protect us, this will give us more profit than this loss, so overall we will be in profit. So sideways is also good for us. See, down is also good for us, sideways is also good for us. What is not good for us is up movement. Up movement is not good for us, and that also sudden up movement is not good for us. If Nifty moves up slowly, it is good for us, but if it moves up suddenly, then we have to do some adjustments. And what adjustment we have to do, we will see now. So now we'll see the third condition, which is up. If Nifty moves up, what we have to do? Third condition, Nifty is up. Nifty is up. Suppose it went to 17,300. It was a 17,200. Suppose it went to 17,300. So now what we have to do? It came at this. We'll do nothing. Suppose it went to 17,350. Now what we will do? This will give us profit. Okay, because this will be in the money now. This will give us profit. We will book the profit. We will book the profit and shift this strike to 17,350. 17,350 call we will buy. Okay. The profit here we booked, and we the shifted buy strike to 17,350. And what we'll do here? We will reduce one lot here. Means I will book one lot here. I will book some loss over here. So this will be -1. Okay, this is the second one. This will be -1, and this will be here also. I will book one lot. So this will be -3. So this will be the case when Nifty moves around 17,350. Our condition will be +1, -1, and -3. So this is the adjustment we have to do. Suppose Nifty again moves to 17,400. Nifty is not stopping, it is still moving ahead. 17,400. What we will do? See, this will give us profit only combined, because this is bullish position. Here what we'll do? We will reduce one lot. So +1, +1, and this will be -2. So this will give us, sorry, this will be -1, and here we will reduce one lot. So again, if Nifty moves 50 points up, then what we can do is we can reduce one lot here, -1. So +1, -1, and -1. So till that time, the premiums will decay also. And now we're shifting our positions to bullish. Okay. And in between, if Nifty moves down, we can further increase our sell lots. We can increase this to -2, this to -3. Again, it decreases. This can be -2, this can be -4. So in this way, we can do the adjustments. Okay. Is everything clear? Any doubts? Ask me. Yes, Keshav. Do you have any doubt? Prashant, Sohail, Vishwa?
Sir, clear.
Clear. Okay, you can revise for everyone. एक बार रिवाइज करा दो सबको. अगर ऊपर जाता है निफ्टी, if Nifty moves up, how what adjustments can we do? Yes, can anyone just summarize or revise so that it becomes clear to you also, and everybody else also understands it in a better way? Yes, who will take the initiative? No doubt.
We will do adjustment.
Sorry, you can tell again.
Sir, I said that we will do adjustments then.
Yes, which adjustment? Suppose, see, Nifty was at Nifty comes at 17,350. What adjustment will we do?
That at 17,400 we will minus one lot, and at 17,400 plus में उसे -3 करेंगे सर.
हाँ, एक लॉट कम कर देंगे. 17,400 पे एक लॉट कम कर देंगे, 17,500 पे भी एक लॉट कम कर देंगे, और 300 का बुक करके 350 के कॉल में को बाय कर देंगे. समझ गया?
Yes.
है ना? तो ऐसा करेंगे. इससे क्या होगा, यहाँ से अगर और ऊपर भी जाता है, if it still moves up, it will not affect us, because see, 17,350 we are buying, 17,400 we are selling. That is our debit spread, call debit, which is a bullish strategy. Okay, और यहाँ से अगर 17,350 आके और फिर से नीचे जाता है, if it further moves down, फिर से हम 17,400 पे एक लॉट सेल कर देंगे, है ना? So this way we can do it. मतलब we have to adjust according to the movement of Nifty. मतलब फ्लो के साथ में जाना है. अगर निफ्टी ऊपर जा रहा है तो हम उस हिसाब से अपने पोजीशन बना देंगे. We have the flexibility to turn this strategy into bullish strategy, and that is a very beautiful part of the strategy. कि ये strategy तो bearish है, लेकिन अगर bullish भी हो जाता है मार्केट, तब भी हमको ज्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा इसको चेंज करने के लिए, bullish में भी. That's the thing. Okay. So yes, any other person? Vishwa, when we need to update the adjustments at the end of the day each day? No. See, we don't have to wait, Vishwa. We don't have to wait till the end. If Nifty reaches 17,350, we will start our adjustment. Suppose Nifty reaches 17,350 at 12 p.m. We will do our adjustment at that time. Okay. So this is how we will proceed. So देखो, downside risk is more important. We are doing positional strategy and market can gap down 5%. लोअर सर्किट लग सकता है ना? तो कितना भी लोअर सर्किट लगे हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, because our main position is bearish only. See, one more assumption here is कि market falls at a very high speed, but it moves up like a tortoise. It falls like a rabbit, but it moves up like a tortoise, and this is what we are taking advantage here. कि अगर नीचे जाता है तो धड़ाधड़ नीचे जाता है, हम पुट से कुछ नहीं करेंगे, पुट को बाय नहीं करेंगे, पुट को सेल भी नहीं करेंगे, इसलिए हम कॉल के साइड में है. जैसे सूर्या asked at the beginning of the session, why only call side, why not put side? Because market falls at a very high speed. It is very difficult to manage put positions, but we can easily manage call side, because when market moves up, it moves up slowly. सो सी मार्केट गिरता है तो ऐसा गिरता है, फिर धीरे 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 ऊपर आता है, फिर गिरता है ऐसे ऐसे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन रिलेट विद दिस? यस, टाइप यस इन वाई इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. डू यू एग्री विद दिस?
यस सर, बट सर वन क्वेश्चन, ये सर अभी जो ओमिक्रॉन है उसकी वजह से हमें ये कॉल की स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो कर रहे हैं या फिर
नहीं नहीं, जनरल.
जनरली ये
जनरल,
स्ट्रेटेजी है सर?
क्योंकि देखो ओमिक्रॉन है हो या कोई भी हो, रीजन कुछ भी हो सकता है, ट्रिगर कैन बी एनीथिंग, बट द जनरल थिंग इज व्हेन मार्केट फॉल्स इट फॉल्स लाइक एनीथिंग, है ना. अभी मार्केट गिरा है, किस बुरी तरह से गिरा है. तो मार्केट गिरता है तो पुट साइड में सेल करके बैठना इट इज वेरी मच रिस्की. पोजिशनल इंट्राडे भले ही कर सकते हैं हम स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, लेकिन पोजिशनल इट इज वेरी मच रिस्की. सो बेटर टू बी इन कॉल साइड, बेटर टू बी इन कॉल साइड. और मार्केट ऊपर आता है तो धीरे धीरे आता है ना, तो इसको, इस कंसेप्ट को हम ध्यान में रखते हुए ये स्ट्रेटेजी को डिजाइन किया है. तो ठीक है, जब प्रॉब्लम कब होगा, जब निफ्टी व्हेन इट मूव्स अप तो प्रॉब्लम होगा हमको. सो फॉर दैट वी आर रेडी टू मेक एडजस्टमेंट्स. हमको पता है कब क्या करना है. इतना ऊपर आया तो ये करना है, और ऊपर आया तो ये करना है, फिर से नीचे गया तो ये करना है ना. तो एवरीथिंग शुड बी क्लियर. सो दिस इज द थिंग. सो ट्रिगर कैन बी एनीथिंग. दिस ट्रिगर, market doesn't wait for any trigger, means it needs a trigger to make the movement, but everything is clear before. Now the market is still bearish. If you see the daily chart, it is still bearish. दो दिन ऊपर आया, लेकिन Friday again a big red candle is formed, so market is still bearish. It's better to be in bearish positions if you are positional, and if you are an investor, then you have to be careful with your positions, means your buy positions, long term positions. So it's my view, I can be wrong, it is still bearish. So this is the thing. Any more doubts? This was the thing I was saying. Market falls at a very high speed, but market rises at a very slow speed. So even if market moves up, even if market goes against us, we will have time to make adjustments, we will have time to reduce our loss. So this is the thing. And if market crashes, if market makes lower circuit tomorrow, then also I will be in profit only, because this is mainly my positions are sell side, call sell. Okay, so it will not affect me. मार्केट कितना भी नीचे जाने दो, हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ऊपर जाएगा तो फर्क पड़ेगा. और ऊपर, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन अपर सर्किट्स? कितनी बार देखा है अपर सर्किट निफ्टी में? सही,
कोई भी बात नहीं सर, एक भी बात
कोई भी बार नहीं, है ना. ये अभी मार्च में एक बार आया था, इट मूड अप लाइक एनीथिंग, ऑलमोस्ट अपर सर्किट लगने वाला था, लेकिन थोड़े से रह गया था मार्च में. आई थिंक हाँ उतने में, अप्रैल, मार्च अप्रैल में एक बार, मतलब जिस दिन लोअर सर्किट लगा था उसके बाद वाले दिन में इट मेड ए ह्यूज रिकवरी. इट मेड ए ह्यूज रिकवरी, ऑलमोस्ट 4-5% रिकवरी हुआ था, लेकिन लोअर अपर सर्किट लगा नहीं था. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग. अपर सर्किट लगने के चांसेस कम है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. लेकिन अगर ऊपर भी जाता है तो वी आर रेडी. ऐसे नहीं हम बोल रहे हैं कि वी आर नॉट रेडी, वी आर रेडी फॉर द अप मूव आल्सो. सो दिस इज द थिंग, एंड द सेम थिंग यू कैन डू इन बैंक निफ्टी आल्सो. सेम थिंग, कंसेप्ट सेम है, सिर्फ उसमें क्या होगा, द स्ट्राइक्स प्राइस में थोड़ा सा फर्क आएगा. ठीक है, उसका भी हम देखते हैं. तो यहां तक आपको सब क्लियर होना चाहिए. अगर कोई भी डाउट्स है, यस, एनी अदर डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क. प्रशांत, सोहेल, यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग, आर यू गेटिंग इट? वाई तो भी टाइप कर दो कमेंट चैट बॉक्स में. यस, विश्वा, एनीथिंग टिल नाउ? Okay, Sohail has typed Y, so he's getting it. Vishwa, okay, fine. So you have got till this point, everything is clear, we'll move ahead. Okay, fine. Prashant has also got it. So till this point everything is clear. So this is the thing. Now we'll see कि बैंक निफ्टी में कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, so I will clear all the drawings. तो इसी में हम क्या करते हैं, I will just refresh this. Where is the option? And now we'll create the same thing for Bank Nifty. अगर आपको उसमें अगर करना है, you want to implement it there, then everything will be, you can do it there also. What is the strategy name? Name, you can name it anything. Basically, this is call ladder. This is called call ladder. Okay. You can call it call ratio also, or call ladder strategy also. I will select Bank Nifty. Okay, I've selected Bank Nifty. Currently, Bank Nifty is trading at 36,200 spot price. I will select options. I will select the next expiry, which is 9th of December.
9th December.
Yes, 9th of December. I will select the strike. See, 36,200 is trading. What we will do first, I will write what we have to do. Spot price is 36,200. Okay, 36,200. So 500 point away I will buy. 36,700 call I will buy plus one. 500 point away, further away, which is 37,200 call, I will sell 2 lots. And again 500 points away, 37,700 call, I will sell double quantity, which is 4 lot. Means 1, 2, 4. Okay. Here one variation which we can do is, suppose you are doing it with 2 lots. So this will be plus 2, minus 4 and minus 8. One more thing you can do here is plus 2, minus 3, minus 6, 7, 8. You can do that also. Okay. So this, you are being more conservative here. Here you are being more conservative. Okay. You can do that also. 1:1.5 is also good. But don't keep it 1:3. Don't keep it like that. Plus 1, minus 3. No, it will become very risky. It will be difficult to manage if Nifty or Bank Nifty moves up. Okay. So 2 points we have to remember. Ratio should be less than 1:2. It can be 1:1.5. Okay. But it should not be greater than 1:2. So this is the thing you have to remember. So now we will design this. So I think I have. Okay. So what we have done here is 36,700 call. I am buying 1 lot, which is trading at 203. Okay. I will add position. Add position. 37,200 call. I am selling 2 lots. 30. 37,200 call. I am selling 2 lots. It is currently trading at 79. Okay. And 37,700. 37,700 call. We are selling double of 2 lots. So 4 lots we are selling. So 4 lots we are selling. It is currently trading at 31. Okay, add position. And to reduce the margin, what we will do is we will buy, say 40,000 call we will buy. Okay. To reduce the margin, what we will do? 40, which is the which is a far away out of the money call we will buy, which is trading at 5. We will buy this 6 lots. Okay, add position. This we are doing just to reduce our margin. Now we will see the payoff graph. Okay. So as we can see here, capital required is 2,28,000 is the capital required, and maximum profit is this, and risk reward is not so good. We'll see here. Okay. So see, if Bank Nifty moves down, downside risk is protected. However, down it moves 1,100, our profit will be that much. Okay. And see here, this is 36,700. So below this, our profit is less. See, what we can do here is to increase this profit. Afterwards, what we can do is we can add more calls here. We can add more calls here and in between. Means above 37,200 and above calls we can sell, so that our, if Bank Nifty moves down, our profit can increase here. Okay, this we can do. But if it moves up also, we can do the adjustments. Okay. So only one condition we will see here. Suppose, see the probability of profit, 91%. So now I will just explain you one scenario. Suppose Bank Nifty moves up. Bank Nifty moves up. So what will happen? It is currently trading at 36,200. Suppose it came to 36,700, which is our buy strike. Okay, this will give us profit. We will not do anything. Suppose it comes to 37,000. What we will do is we will reduce one lot. We can book this profit. We can book this profit and shift this to 37,000 call, and we can reduce this one lot. We can book loss here, and we will do this +1, -1, and we can reduce one lot from here also. This will be -3. So suppose Bank Nifty moves further up, 37, say 500. Then what we'll do is we'll further reduce this to -2. One lot will reduce here, and this will give us profit only, these two positions. So this way we'll do the adjustments. I hope this is clear to you. This way we can implement it in Bank Nifty. So here, anyone has any doubts, you can just ask me.
So this is the maximum profit which we'll get, 14,000, 13,600.
Which one? 30, yes.
Maximum profit.
Max profit at expiry. If it expires at this point, say max profit at this point, which is 37,200. Yes, any doubts?
Yeah, that's what I was
Okay,
asking,
no.
any update from all.
That's all.
Yes. 37,200 maximum profit will be there. 13,000 something. Okay, but that is at expiry. If you hold till expiry, but if it but the probability of it expiring at 37,200 is very small. Okay, so it can be 100 points, 200 points above, below. Okay, for that we will keep on adjusting our positions. So this way we can do it. So yes, any more doubts? Yes, Divya, would you like to ask anything?
Yes, sir. Before initiating this position, do we have to wait for the levels to be at the? Hello.
Yes, I am able to hear you.
Sir. Sir. Do we have to wait for the levels at which points are there? Are it at the resistance levels, or we have to initiate?
Check. Yes, you can check that also to have a view.
Okay.
If Bank Nifty is moving up, okay, yes, Bank Nifty is moving up, but you see that resistance is there and it can move down, then you can trade, you can do an adjustment accordingly.
No, sir, I'm asking, do we have to initiate this position at that point of time, or if it's at the resistance level, or we can open this position at any point of time?
No, we can open this position Thursday okay, before the end. Okay. I'm just giving this example now, but we have to do it on Thursday.
Okay, mainly it should be only placed on the Thursdays only, 3:15 close.
Because yes, see, we'll get higher premiums here. Sell side will get higher premiums.
Yes,
okay, and which we buy, we put a stop loss of 50% also there. Okay, so this is the thing. Thursday we have to initiate, and Friday, Monday, the sold premiums will decay. Time is with us, and along with that we are adjusting also, so our loss will be minimized, and there is no downside risk. Yes, the downside, yes, no problem. Only upside there will be problem. And see, the only thing which can hurt us is a sudden up move. A sudden up move can only hurt us, but the probability of a sudden up move is very less. Price moves up very slowly. Sometimes it moves up suddenly also, then we can do the adjustments. Okay, and how to adjust, I have explained it. If you have any doubts, on adjustment part, you can ask me.
Regarding the exit, is there a way in a series where we have to exit the strategy, or whichever we want, we can exit it?
Yes. See, suppose you are trying everything and but still the loss is not reducing. Means then you can if you feel uncomfortable with it, you can exit. Okay. Means suddenly it is increasing and your loss is increasing also, then you can exit. Okay. But with time, if you hold it, if you adjust properly, then your loss will reduce only. It will not increase. Means if you think that the situation is out of control and the loss is increasing, exit all. Means the main thing is we have to protect our capital, because it is our capital. No one is coming to protect it for us. We have to take the responsibility for our losses, and we have to protect our capital. That is our responsibility. Okay. If the loss is increasing, just exit. But if you follow the proper adjustments, your loss will reduce only, it will not increase. And with time, the sold calls will give you profit. If we combine this strategy with adjustments, proper adjustments, it can work wonders. It can be very good. So if you find it useful, you can implement it with 1 lots. Minimum capital required is 2 lakh rupees. So if you think that it can help you, just try it out with 1 lot and see how it works. And if it benefits you, if you find it comfortable, you can share it with me. The results, I will also be happy that I have helped someone. Someone is being benefited with my session. So that will help me. That will make me more happy. I have put this strategy exact same with the previously which I showed on Nifty. I have done it. And let's see how it proceeds. I will share the status on the Telegram channel, how it performs. Okay. So this was the session. I will see what is remaining. Anything remaining? One more thing, that not many adjustments are required here. So working people can do it because it is positional, it's not intraday. So it will suit you. It can suit you. Not many adjustments are there because call side, we don't need many adjustments. 1 or 2 adjustments in 1 week will do. If we have less capital, okay. So minimum 2 lakh is required, Sohil, to implement this strategy, because we have to selling option is the main thing here. So for less capital, then different strategy you can do, like spreads you can do. Debit spreads, credit spreads you can do, which is a risk defined strategy. And even if you have, for that also you will require minimum 40K will be required. Okay. So many people have this problem that if capital is less, suppose 40K, 40,000 capital is there. So minimum this is required for the spreads. Actually less than this is required, 25,000, 30,000 is also required. But if you have 40,000 capital, you can do spreads.
How to do that?
Okay, how to do that? There are 2 types of spreads: debit, credit. 2 types of spread strategy. In debit, suppose Nifty, I think that Nifty can move up. So what I will do in debit, I will buy the call. I will buy call and I will sell further call. Okay. I will buy call. जैसे अभी निफ्टी 17,200 पे है, अगर मुझे लगता है कि ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा, 17,300 का कॉल बाय कर दूंगा और 17,400 का कॉल सेल कर दूंगा. इक्वल क्वांटिटी. दिस इज +1, दिस इज -1, दिस इज डेबिट. और क्रेडिट स्प्रेड में क्या करेंगे कि मुझे लगता है ऊपर जाएगा, मार्केट कैन मूव अप. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल सेल पुट. I will sell put and buy further put. Buy further put. जैसे मुझे लगता है 17,200 पे मार्केट है, मुझे लगता है ऊपर जाएगा, मैं क्या करूंगा, 17,100 का मैं पुट सेल करूंगा 1 लॉट और 17,000 का पुट मैं बाय करूंगा एक lot. This is debit spread. Sorry, this is credit spread. So these are the two different type of strategies. और इसमें एक lot में करने के लिए 30 से 40 हजार लगता है. Okay, Sohail.
Okay, okay. I think currently I'm doing this only. Buying एक मतलब sell कर रहा था lot and एक lot buy कर रहा था.
हाँ, means you are doing credit spread. मतलब बड़ा प्रीमियम बाय कर रहे थे कि सेल कर रहे थे?
बड़ा प्रीमियम सेल कर रहा था, छोटा प्रीमियम बाय कर रहा था.
दैट इज क्रेडिट स्प्रेड कर रहे थे. ओके, सो मेनली इसमें एक लॉट करने के लिए 30 से 40 हजार लगता है. सो सी द पॉजिटिव साइड हियर इज इट इज अ रिस्क डिफाइंड स्ट्रेटेजी. रिस्क डिफाइंड है ये. इसका मतलब कि तुम्हारा लॉस डिफाइंड है पहले से. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. ओके, अगर इससे कम कैपिटल है तो फिर ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि करने भी नहीं देगा. फिर इससे कम अगर कैपिटल है तो यू कैन डू ऑप्शन बाइंग एंड इट इज वेरी रिस्की. इफ यू डू ऑप्शन बाइंग विथ लेस कैपिटल, इट इज वेरी मच रिस्की एंड देयर इज ओनली वन फाइनल रिजल्ट. कैपिटल 0 होता है. ओके, सो डोंट डू ऑप्शन. Yes.
Price decay maybe, I mean that will affect, right?
Yes, time is not with option buyer. Time is not with option buyer. Okay, I am not saying that option buyer can't make money. They can make money, but risk management अगर कम capital है तो risk management होगा ही नहीं. Okay, you cannot manage your risk with less capital, and that's why option buying is very dangerous for people with less capital. And people with less capital only do option buying because they have less capital, and the end result is always the same. Capital 0 होता है. Okay, so don't do option buying with less capital. You can do spreads instead of doing option buying. अगर buy ही करना है तो buy करो और दूर वाला जाके sell भी कर दो ना, है कि नहीं? इससे क्या होगा, आपका loss defined रहेगा.
Okay.
So this is the thing. Okay.
Okay.
So any more doubts? Okay, fine. So this was the strategy. I hope you enjoyed it. And moving ahead, अब क्या बचा है? अब ये बचा है कि ये तो हो गया वीकली स्ट्रेटेजी. वीकली स्ट्रेटेजी हो गया कि वीकली एक्सपायरी पे कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी करनी है. ओके, आई हैव वन मोर स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर इंट्राडे. इंट्राडे का भी ऐसी स्ट्रेटेजी विच आई इम्प्लीमेंट. देयर इज इंट्राडे स्ट्रेटेजी विच आई इम्प्लीमेंट. सो दिस इज देयर, एंड वन मोर इज expiry, Thursday expiry strategy also. I have that strategy also which I use. Okay, so this I shared here. I have intraday strategy which I use. I do weekly also. I do intraday strategy also. Okay, and on expiry day, Thursday, weekly expiry, or specific Thursday strategies also there which I have. So these two are the strategies which I have, but I cannot share everything here because the time limit is there. Now we started at around 12:30, around सवा घंटा हो गया है ना. So these strategies I can share in my mentorships. Mentorship program is there where I can share it with you, because see, free does not have any value. I'm sharing you this strategy I've shared with you. If you find it useful, you can implement it and get the results. Profit all yours, loss is yours, profit is yours. But if you want to learn the intraday strategy also, if you want to learn the expiry strategy also, then I have the mentorship program. I teach on weekdays. Monday कैसे रहेगा? Monday को सेशन रहेगा, Tuesday को सेशन रहेगा, और एक Thursday को सेशन रहेगा. Okay, 3 days session will be there. So Monday timing will be 6:30 to 8 a.m. Tuesday same timing, Thursday same timing. So in these 3 sessions, I will explain my intraday strategy, my expiry strategy, and along with that, every Wednesday we will have session in the morning. In the morning, same time, 6:30 to 8 a.m. where your doubts will be cleared. That will be the doubt clearing session. Okay, so this we will do for every week. Every week Wednesday ये चलेगा, और ये जो strategy जो explain करना है, that I will explain on these 3 days. And after that, every Wednesday morning, we'll have a session for doubt clearing. So this is the structure. For it, it's a paid program. It's a mentorship program. If you are interested, you can join it. And if you're interested, you can just type why in the comment box so that I can know, so that I can explain further. Okay. So see, strategy, telling the strategy is one thing, and जब आप implement करते हैं तो बहुत सारे problems आते हैं, है ना? जब market movement, when market does movement, then yes, Vishwa is interested. Okay. When market does movement, we don't understand, means we face many problems. So at that time, someone has to be there. If someone is there who can guide us, who can support us, who can handhold us, who can tell us what is going wrong, why we are not in profit, then it definitely helps. Having a mentor, having a guide who can support us is always helpful. Do you agree with this? Okay, I will tell the charges. Divya, I will come to that also. Yes, Sohail is interested. Vishwa is interested. Divya is interested. So I will tell the charges also. So it helps. Okay. So now I will tell what are the charges and what are the details. That is part of yesterday course. Yes, Nagarjun, it was part for you. You don't have to do it. You are part of it. Yes, yes. Okay. Fine. So I will explain the details. I will share the screen, different screen here. Okay. Okay. So I hope you are able to see this. Okay. Are you able to see the screen? Type yes in the comment box. So this is the price, 1999. I will share my, what you will get in this package is, I will share this thing. Weekly strategy I shared with you, this done today. Intraday strategy will be there. Expiry, Thursday expiry strategy will be there. And monthly expiry strategy will also be there. So these three things will be there. Timings will be Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Thursday morning, and every Wednesday morning we will have sessions that will go on forever, means for more than 1 year. Every Wednesday morning we will meet. That will be our doubt clearing session. Okay. Charges are 1999. If you have any doubts, this is my WhatsApp number and this is the Telegram group. Okay, these are the charges. So what do you think about this? Charges बराबर है कि कम है, ज्यादा है, बताओ. या फिर ये जो सेलिंग कर रहे हैं कोर्स, ये सही है या गलत है, ये बता दो. What's your review? I'm just asking. Yes, I will share the link. Okay, I will share the link with you. I will share the link in the comment. Yes, what's your view about this? What should be the pricing of this mentorship? Okay, the link I have shared, you can click on that link, and before making the purchase, I have some good news for you also. Good news है, इस पे भी डिस्काउंट है. ओके, सो परचेस करने से पहले थोड़ा रुक जाओ. First I want to know your view about this. What do you think? Is it worth it? क्या ये करना सही रहेगा आपके लिए?
It is worth, but as you said, we can get discount. That would be a
Yes, that would be better.
Yes,
that would be better. Worth it. Yes. See, because more than this amount of money, हम बाहर खाना भी खाना जाते हैं, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में पार्टी करते हैं, है ना? तो हम लॉस भी लेते हैं, तो इससे ज्यादा का लॉस होता है हमको. 2000 के ऊपर का लॉस होता है. So instead of that, if we invest that money in our learning, it will definitely help us. ये 1 महीने के अंदर कवर हो जाता है. 1 महीने में नहीं हुआ तो 2 महीने में हो जाएगा. लेकिन this money you will recover, but जो strategy आप सीख रहे हैं, जो आप knowledge आप सीख रहे हैं, जो skills आप सीख रहे हैं, that will be with you for your lifetime. You will learn a skill which can get you money for the rest of your life. Now, is it worth it? Definitely. Type Y in the comment box. It is definitely worth it. You should invest in your learning. You should invest in a proper mentor. What is the success rate? Yes, can make this in one day. If yes, definitely you can make this in one day if implemented properly. Okay, अगर एक दिन में भी नहीं होता है तो एक महीने में तो रिकवर हो जाएगा. But the skill which you learn, the strategy which you learn, you can implement for the rest of your life. Okay, that's the magic. ऐसी सोच ऐसी होनी चाहिए. जो हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं हमको एसेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है. If you are investing here, it is definitely worth it. Okay, see the success rate is good. Yes, Vishwa, success rate, we have seen the probability of profit. It is more than 80%. If we do nothing also, the probability of profit is 80%. Okay, but if we do adjustments, it further increases. So now with this, I have shared the link with you, and I have discount to share with you, and the discount is this. You can get इससे भी कम प्राइस में. I am ready to give it to you, but इसके लिए आपको एक कंडीशन है. The condition is आपको अगर आप अगले 10 मिनट में अगर परचेस करते हैं, then I am ready to reduce this price to ₹999. Okay, लेकिन ये सिर्फ 10 मिनट के लिए ऑफर रहेगा. उसके बाद में अगर आपको परचेस करेंगे तो फिर से ये 1999 हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is the offer, deal of the day. Deal of the day किसी वेबसाइट पे नहीं मिल रहा है, ये सेशन में मिल रहा है. This is the deal. Grab it. You will not get this deal anywhere else. And now I'm going to okay. Now I'm going to change the price. Okay. Okay. So ₹999 for the next 10 minutes. In front of you, I'll do this in front of you. I'll change the price for just 10 minutes. If you take action right now, you will get it at just, see here, it is 1999. I will just change this to 999 and I will just save this. Now, if you refresh that link, just refresh it so that, okay. Okay, I will just refresh this link now. Okay, see, ₹999 for the next 10 minutes. Now it is 201, 211. अगले 10 मिनट के लिए it is valid. If you make the purchase in the next 10 minutes, you'll get it at ₹999. So do it. If you face any problem, just type in the chat box. Okay. And if you are going to invest this in your learning, type Y in the comment box so that I can know. And after making the purchase, now you can make the purchase if you are interested only. I'm not telling that everyone has to do it. It's not for everyone. If you are serious, if you want to make money from share market, if you want to learn from a proper mentor, if you want to have a proper guide, if you want to learn the proper things, if you want to learn how to protect your capital and grow your money, then you should invest here. It's not for everyone. I know it. I can understand it. But if you are ready, if you want to earn money from trading, if you want to have a proper guide, then you should do it. You will recover it within 1 month. And after that, this skill is with you for lifetime. Okay. So go with it. After making the purchase, just type in the chat box that you have made the purchase so that I can acknowledge you. Okay. So all the other people, you can ask the queries, doubt session. We can do the doubt session for the next 5-10 minutes. And after that we can close. Okay, any doubts you can ask me. Interested? Yes, Surya, you don't have to do this. You are our student. Okay. Okay, fine.
But sir, actually, I want to know this options in detail. मतलब like I told you ना, सीखना है मेरे को, उतना आता नहीं है. मतलब थोड़ा जो भी थोड़ा समझा मेरे को. Detailing को बेसिक्स एलिमेंट्री नहीं आता है,
you
मतलब
can, yes,
आप
you
जो
can,
जैसे इंग्लिश में होता है ना एकदम हाई फाई वर्ड्स बताते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, मुझे तो यहाँ पे एबीसीडी नहीं आता है, मतलब
हाँ
I
हाँ
want-
मैं, हाँ तो this was advanced one because yesterday's session was basic one, this was advanced. So
actually I was working so I could not attend.
okay, fine, no problems. When you'll attend the sessions, before that you should have knowledge of the basics. Okay,
Correct.
I will update the basics course which is there. I will update it on your email ID so that you can access it.
Okay, great.
Okay, so before attending this session, you can go through that video course to know the
Okay.
basics. Okay, fine. So 7 more minutes to go to make the purchase, and after that we'll close the deal. I will increase the price, and before that, if you the rest of the people, if you have any doubts, you can just ask me. अगर आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी के बारे में भी कुछ पूछना है मुझे, या शेयर मार्केट ट्रेडिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछना हो, तो you can just the option is open for the doubt clearing. You can type in the chat box, or you can unmute and ask me.
We can get live market support also.
No.
From this, I mean 6:32. I mean just a candlestick pattern or something like that.
So in 6:30 to 8 a.m.
On
yes. Yes, on that we can do it.
I mean, what will happen?
What can happen?
What can happen?
No one knows what
What
will
can
happen. I can just predict that, okay, this can happen, so I will trade accordingly. Yes, that will be there. That will be there. कि आज ऐसा व्यू है, मुझे लगता है ऐसा हो सकता है, तो हम ऐसा करेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं भी होता है, then also I am ready. That will be there. Yes. Okay. So this thing, any more doubts? Yes. Regarding your strategy also, या फिर आपको कोई लॉस हो रहा है, या फिर जो भी आपको ट्रेडिंग में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, you can just share it with me, and if I will try my best to help you out. Okay.
And the timing is morning 6:30 to
Yes, it's morning, because see, I am also working, and at the night time I have a small kid, so the kid does not allow me to take any sessions. In the morning when she is asleep, then only I can take it. So that's the reason.
Okay.
And early morning everything goes to her head very clearly, freshness is there, so that is the thing. Okay, Nifty buy. Okay, Bank Nifty sold. Okay, so you're bullish, Divya, you are bullish. Should we wait? Yes, wait or exit tomorrow. So overall trend is bearish. So you should have bought some hedge also. You are totally bullish. So what if market opens 200 points down tomorrow, Nifty or Bank Nifty 500 points? It will hurt you, no? So there has to be some hedge overnight. So if Nifty or opens 100 points gap down, or after opening, if it goes 100 points down, then you should exit. No need of there's no point in waiting and increasing your loss. Okay, I hope this answers you. And one more point I want to share with everyone. Okay,
Yes,
what happened? Okay, fine. So this is the thing. One more thing I want to share, that if you have overnight position, hedge your positions, because hedge is very much important. Nifty anything can happen. Hedging your position is very much important. Yes, any more doubts? Now we have just 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So anyone who has made the purchase, you can type in the chat box so that I can know and can acknowledge you. Okay. And all the other people, just you can ask me any doubts if we have. Okay, last 3 minutes for the offer. and after that we will close. So yes, you can give the feedback. How was the session? Was it useful? What you learned? You can type in the chat, or you can,
Yes, sir. It's a new strategy which I learned today,
yes,
and I would like to implement, I mean, on a paper and see how it goes, what I have understood.
yes, yes, yes.
And apart from this, can this recording be shared with me?
Yes, yes.
Also that I'll recheck, because on the second and third point, I have not made a note.
Okay,
I have
okay.
missed it.
Okay, I will add it to the video course.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So friends, 2 more minutes and then we can close. Yes, any more doubts, Sohail?
Can we get recording? I mean this, and later on if we join course, the other things also, or
Recording, see, the problem here is a recording, I make it available to the paid students only. Paid students. Nagarjun is our paid student. Surya is our paid student. So I can make it available to them. So you can ask me, okay, what you missed. We can clear it here. Okay.
the hedging part. So
Hedging part.
in that the 2 lakhs you said, if the
Mhm.
price is increasing and we should decrease the lot.
Because see,
So-
if price is moving up, then the sold strike we can reduce lot. Suppose 2 lot sell is there, we can reduce 1 lot. We can book the loss and reduce it, because see, if Nifty keeps on moving up, it will hurt us. Okay, so that's why the sell lots will decrease, and the buy strike will book the price, book the profit, and move it further away. So this way we can do it.
okay, and if price decay happens, I mean,
Right, that is good. No, that is good, because our sold strikes will give us profit.
no, the price that we have buyed
Buy.
the first.
So stop
Yes.
loss we have to put 50% stop loss. 50% stop loss we have to put there. So if it moves below 50%, we will exit that with loss, and our buys, our sell strikes will give us profit. So this is the way we will do it. And the time is up. The offer is up, and again now the price will be 1999. And I hope you all enjoyed the session. It was useful for you. If you find it useful, you can implement the strategy with 1 lot. And if you have any problems, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is, I will type it in the chat box: 766 479 384. So this is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on this number, and I'm ready to help you. I hope you find it useful. Wish you all a great day, and see you in the next session. Wish you all profitable trading.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. You too.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.